Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. It's a sunny day. Let's make this sun cake decoration. Start with 200 grams of butter and give it a whisk. Add in 400 grams of icing sugar, a bit at a time to make sure it doesn't get too messy. Delish. Add in 100 millilitres of milk. And your buttercream is ready. Pop in your yellow food colouring, make it super bright. And then put it in a food piping bag. Lovely. Now let's get some orange fondant icing. Roll it out and cut out a triangle. Fold the edges and press them in slightly. Then slice and pop in a cocktail stick. We want to make a few of those to go all the way around the cake. Get your plain vanilla cake, slice the top off and slice in half. Add your yellow buttercream icing in the middle. And then all over. Pipe on a pretty pattern. And stick in your sun rays. Some fondant icing facial features there. And you have an amazing sun cake. Perfect for a warm summer's day.